Today we are going to learn about constructing angles, and the angles we'll be focusing on are 60 degrees, 30 degrees and 120 degrees. The tools we will be using are as follows: compass, pencil, protractor and ruler. So the first angle to be constructed is the 60 degrees, and it will look like this when we are finished, where we have line AB, and to line AB we constructed the line AC that is 60 degrees in relation to AB. So let's begin. Draw AB 60 millimeters long. That is, AB line equals 60 millimeters in length. Set your compass to a radius of approximately 25 millimeters, and we are going to be drawing two arcs. One from center A, which is the beginning of the line, and we strike an arc, a rather long arc. We are going to call it arc number 1. Arc number 1. Where the arc cuts the line AB down here, we have a new center we call S. That is where arc number 1 cuts. But remember, the arc must continue around here. The same radius on the compass, which is 25 millimeters, we're going to stick it at the new center at S and strike a second arc to cut the first arc. Just like that. This now becomes arc number 2. And this point here is the one we need. Align the 2 points. That's the beginning of the line AB and this point located where the 2 arcs cross each other, and draw a line through them. This line now becomes C. So the name of the line is AC. Now it is said that AC is 60 degrees to AB. We can verify that by using our protractor. We do that by setting the center of the protractor at the beginning of line AB and align the baseline with the line AB, or the 0 degree line of the protractor. Then we read from right to left: 0 degree, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. See? The 60 degree line runs through the 60 degree on the protractor. So therefore, this is a very good construction. We can get our 30 degree by bisecting this 60 degree angle. Choose a radius on your compass. Then from center, let's call this center here R, and center S, we are going to swing 2 arcs out here. So we can set our compass to a radius of about 20 millimeters, and from center R we strike an arc like this to become arc number 3, and with the same radius on the compass, we from center S we strike a 4th arc to cut arc number 3. So remember now, this is arc number 4 and this is the point of intersection. We are going to cause a straight line to pass from A through this new point. And we draw our line. So we could call this line D. Now we are going to write some expressions to denote the different angles, meaning the 30 degrees, and the 60 degrees. So to write that, we say CAB equals 60 degrees, meaning line CA and AB, the angle between the two of them is 60 degrees. Now the angle you want to highlight in a drawing like this, where the angle is located at A here, you notice it falls in the middle of this expression. So this is the angle corner. Hence, the angle located at A between the two lines AC and AB measures 60 degrees. Also, DAB is equal to 30 degrees, meaning the line AD and AB, the angle between them is 30 degrees. Now for the 120 degrees. We set our compass point at A, the beginning of the line AB, and readjust it to meet S. That's the arc number 1. See? It must be adjusted to that original mark. And we extend that arc a little more, just like that. Now with that same radius, go to little r and stick the point right at that point of intersection and strike an arc, which we are going to call arc number 5 in relation to what is happening. Put the 5 up here and take it out from here. Now there's a point of intersection right here where these two arcs meet, arc 1 and 5. We are going to align the ruler, straight edge, from the beginning of line AB right here, and move it to that new point of intersection and draw a line. So let's call this E. So now, the line AE in relation to AB is 120 degrees. Let's use the protractor to test that. So we place the center at A, which is the beginning of the line, and we align our baseline or 0 degree line with the line AB, and then we measure, meaning we count from right to left the inner graduations of the degrees. So it's 0 degree, 10, 20, 30, all the way around to 120. So we can see that our line AE measures 120 degrees when you're reading from right to left. Okay. Now let's write the expression for it. So it's going to be EAB is equal to 120 degrees. And remember, the corner that the angle is located is always in the middle of the expression. This is what we set out to do today, where we learned how to construct the angles 60, 30, and 120. You also noticed that in order to get the 30 degrees, we had to bisect the 60 degrees angle, and as such we are able to get the 30 degrees. There are other angles to be constructed, but we will do those at the next class. In the meantime, please practice this, and remember to subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave a like for the success of this channel. Thank you for coming, and go and practice now.